This is Fiach Moriarty at the Grand Canal Docks outside the Bord Gosh for Dublin concerts, and this is called Raindrops. Our tale begins in a time with little reason or rhyme. A man owned man, and it wasn't a crime to whoop and run. No, it couldn't be done without consequences. But that's what Fred tried. He learned to read and write, and when he was caught, he was beaten in the hot sun, punished and flogged, and the slave owner dogged him and said, "Boy, you're lucky to be still alive." But Fred said, "Raindrop falls on top of a mountain, slips into a tiny stream, runs into a rolling river, then breaks its banks and bursts into a sea." Oh, 'cause finished for the day, all the tools put away, snaking through the street as Rosie rests her aching feet. White man climbs on and moves her along, but she said no, she won't go, for she says, "Raindrop falls on top of a mountain, slips into a tiny stream, see that your moral disease can be beaten into submission." Now a crowd is marching into the eye of a storm. A dream has been created and it's ready to be born. With one strong voice you'll hear us rejoice. You will hear us sing, for we say, "Raindrop falls on top of a mountain, slips into a tiny stream, runs into a rolling river, then breaks its banks and bursts into a sea." To occupy his mind, and in time he'll find the truth.